Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting the right card holder for daily use. Pick a card holder that holds 6 cards and 2 folded bills comfortably without stretching. Check for RFID blocking material and a 0. 2-inch thickness so it stays slim in front pockets. Inspect the edges, choose smooth edges and a non-slip texture for quick single-handed access. Consider size relative to your phone or key pocket, and test opening tension so cards slide, but do not fall out while walking. Arrange cards for speed. Place your most used card in the front slot for 1-second access. Stack like cards together such as credit cards, ID, transit, or loyalty cards to reduce bulk and simplify retrieval. If you carry both contactless and chip cards, keep chip cards toward the middle to avoid accidental taps. Limit the holder to 6 cards and 2 folded bills to maintain a slim profile and prevent overstretching seams, which preserves the holder's shape and longevity. When using the holder, practice one-handed retrieval. Push the center bend with your thumb to fan cards smoothly and extract a single card. For contactless payments, slide the card out just enough to tap. For chip inserts, fully remove and reinsert to protect the chip. Clean leather or fabric monthly with a damp cloth and mild soap if needed, and avoid soaking. Rotate cards every 6 months and check seems to avoid sudden failures and keep the holder functioning for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.